really cannot wrap my head around the fact it's taken me this long to finally realize I'm fantastic. I used to write my little raps, they'd always look right past it, like it's average, like I'm not who the fuck I am, like bitch, what's happening?
Hey you guys, it's your gal Cutie, back with another unboxing video. So let's pull this baby out. Let's see what it is. So here we got another Nike shoe. Oh, I love this color. Oh my god, this is like my casual look. It's like a dark green with the camel one and like a beige or apricot color. This is so beautiful. What is that? These babies right here are the Nike Air Max Plus. As you guys know, I do have the gold, blue, and white ones. I did size up with these ones because I know last time it did run a little smaller, and it was like the beginning of 2020, I believe so, when I first bought these, or like February 2020 or March 2020. So this is another shoes that I fell in love with the Nike website, and I'm so happy that they actually came in early. I don't know if it's the lighting, but you can barely see the green in it, like it's a moss green, and well, I'm in love with it, and I'm still gonna rock it. I'm gonna match these with neutral colors. Yeah, it's aesthetic. Here is the back side of it, and the inner side. You can see that part. The air soles. This is just sick. And if you are thinking about getting these shoes, make sure you are choosing the correct size for yourself. Because if you are in the wider side, like I am, I do have wider feet. I am 8.5 for men or size 10 for women. I did size up in these shoes. I sized up by 1 inch because back then I bought a 9. I sized up by 8.5 and it didn't work out. Thank you. Come again.